online class children. Now what we studied in the previous session, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So how will you multiply if you take any fraction? For example 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3. This is a whole number, this is a fraction. So 1 into 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Like that we did. And pictorial representation also I explained. Now in this session, first we will do some example sums. Then afterwards another topic I will say. Now see, open page number 33 all of you. Page number 33. Page number 33. See example 4. Nazia has 20 marbles. Reshma has 1 by 5 of the number of marbles that Nazia has. So how many marbles does Reshma have? See, Nazia how many marbles she is having total? Nazia having 20 marbles. No. Then Reshma is having 1 by 5th part of Nazia. 1 by 5th part of Nazia means 1 by 5. Understood? Nazia is having 20 marbles. Reshma is having 1 by 5th of the Nazia. Then you will get number of marbles how much Nazia is having. Now, so 20 is the number of marbles which Nazia is having. Now Reshma is having. Okay, Nazia. 20 marble is Nazia is having. Then 1 by 5th part will be, who is that? Reshma. So now 20 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are. So 4. So how many marbles that Reshma is having? 4 marbles. Nazia is having 20 marbles. Understood? Now, fifth example. In a family of 4 members, 15 chapatis were consumed in a day. So in a family, how many persons are there? 4 persons are there. Per daily, they are using 15 chapatis. They are eating 15 chapatis in that 4 members. Now, 1 by 5 of the chapatis were consumed by the mother and 3 by 5 were consumed by the children and the remaining were eaten by the father. Understood? Total chapatis are 15. In that, 1 by 5th part will be eaten by who? Mother. And 3 by 5th part will be eaten by the children. Then how much part remaining part will be eaten by the father. So here 3 questions are given. First one is how many chapatis were eaten by the mother. Second one, how many chapatis are eaten by the children. And by what fraction the total chapatis has been eaten by the father. So here we have to find. Here only fractional part is given. We have to find the number of chapatis eaten by the mother, children and father. So first what is given right now? Total number of chapatis. Example 5 this is. So total number of chapatis. How many are there? Total number of chapatis? 15. 15 chapatis are there. 4 members are there. Okay. How much part the mother is eating? Mother. Number of chapatis eaten by the mother. Number of chapatis eaten by the mother. How many more? Total number of chapatis. Total number of chapatis and how much part she is eating? 1 by 5th part. In the total she is eating 1 by 5th part. That is 15 into 1 by 5. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are. So how many chapatis she is taking? 3 chapatis. Now number of chapatis eaten by the children. Eaten by the children. How much part they are eating? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 part they are eating. So Total chapati is 15. 3 by 5th part. I think. 3 by 5th part. The children are eating. That is 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. So how many chapatis children are eating? 9. So father, how many chapatis father are eating, that we have to find. But in the question what he is asking? Part he is asking, not number of chapatis. So first we will find the number of chapatis, how many chapatis are left. So number of chapatis left. Number of chapatis left. That is total are 15. Okay. So mother is eating 3 and children are eating 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So subtract 12 chapatis from that. How much it become? 3. So 3 chapatis are left. 3 chapatis are left means father part. Father, how many chapatis father are, how much part father is taking, that we have to find. So question is how much fraction. So fraction of the total chapatis has been eaten by the father. Fraction of chapatis eaten by the father. Eaten by the father. See here, how many chapatis are left? 3 chapatis are left. So for that 3 fraction we have to find. So 3 by 15. He is eating 3. Total chapatis are 15. So 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 by 5th part. So how much part father is eating? 1 by 5th part. Mother is also eating 1 by 5th part. But children are eating 3 by 5th part. Okay. Like that you can do it. Okay ma. As it is you can copy from the textbook. Now exercise 2. First sum. All of you open page number 34. Page number 34, exercise 2. Page number 34, exercise 2. Multiply the following. Write the answer as a mixed fraction. 3 by 6 into 10. First one. Exercise 2. First sum, first bit. You have to multiply and you have to express as a mixed fraction. 3 by 6 into 10. 3 by 6 into 10. Now, see, here you can simplify, no? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So, 1 tens are 10 by 2. 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Now this is 5. So 5 by 1. 5 is a rational number. So how can you express this 5 is in a mixed fraction? Here there is no denominator, means you can write 1 as the denominator. Okay. So 5 by 1. How can you express as a denominator, as a mixed fraction? How can you express? 1 5 0 by see 5 ones are 5 plus 0 5 by 1. Understood or not? This is 5 by 1 we got now. 5 by 1 is a improper fraction. So every improper fraction we can express as a mixed fraction, we learn now. So this 5 by 1 you can write like this, 5 0 by 1. See 5 ones are 5 plus 0 5 by 1. Got it now? So this is a mixed fraction. Now second one, 1 by 3 into 4. 1 by 3 into 4. First you multiply. 4 ones are 4 by 3. So this is also mixed fraction. This mixed fraction you can express as a improper fraction. Improper fraction you have to write in a mixed fraction. So suppose you are not getting direct answer. So do the simple division in the rough column. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So quotient you have to write as a whole number. Remainder you have to write as a numerator. And divisor you have to write as a what? Denominator. Now 1 3s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. You got it? So 4 by 3 is 1, 1 by 3. Now third sum. Third sum, 6 by 7 into 2. Now 6 2s are 12 by 7. 12 by 7 is a improper fraction. Now express into a mixed fraction. This 12 you have to divide it by 7. Now 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 how much ma? 5. So what is the mixed fraction of this? 1 5 by 7. 1 5 by 7 is the mixed fraction of that. Now fourth bit. 15 2 by 5. Fourth sum 15 2 by 5. 15 into 2 by 5. Now 15 2s are 30 by 5. 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So what you are getting? 6 by 1. Okay, in first sum how we got? No, if the denominator is 1. Same like that only this also. So what you will get ma? 6 0 by 1. 6 0 by 1. Now see, 6 ones are 6 plus 0. 6. 6 by 1. That is 6. Okay. Now second sum. 1 by shade. You have to shade. 1 by 2 of the circle in the box. So down here they given the pictures. So up they given the question. According to the question you have to shade the pictures. Here. First one given the circles. See 1 by 2 of the circle in the box. So how many? First you have to count how many circles are there. In this box how many circles are there total? 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 circles are there. So 1 by 2 of is 12. That is 1 by 2 into 12. 1 by 2 into 12. How much? 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6. How many circles you have to shade ma? 6 circles you have to shade. How many? 6 circles you have to shade. Now second question. 2 by 3 of the triangle in the box. So how many triangles are there? First one in the second box. How many triangles are there? Count it. In that 2 by 3 you have to shade. First one, here clearly I am writing the answer. First one, 12 circles, 12 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 circles. 6 circle should shade. How many circles should shade? 6. Now, second one. How many triangles are there in that box total? 6, 9. 9 triangles are there. In that 9 triangles, how many you have to shade? 2 by 3 triangles you have to shade. That is 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 twos are 6. 6 triangles. 6 triangles should shade. Now, third bit. Third bit. How many rectangles are there in that box? 5, 10, 15. 15 rectangles are there. So 15 into 3 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. 3 threes are 9 rectangles. So how many rectangles you have to shade ma? 9 rectangles you have to shade. 9 rectangles you have to shade. Now fourth bit. How many circles are there in that? In fourth box, how many circles are there? Count 5, 10, 15, 20. Total 20 circles are there. In the total 20 circles, you should shade 3 by 4th part. That is 3 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 fives are. Now 5 threes are 15 circles. 15 circles should shade. Understood? So second answer, second sum, all the bits we did. Now third one, find 1 by 3 of 12. Half is nothing but multiplication. Here you have to take. Now this one understood now? Now third sum. Exercise 2, last sum. Exercise 2, last sum. Third one. First bit. Find 1 by 3 of 12. 1 by 3 of 12 means 1 by 3 into 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 4 is the answer. Now second bit. 2 by 5 of 15. 2 by 5 of 15. 5 ones are 5 here down below. 2 by 5 of 15. That is 2 by 5 into 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now this exercise is completed. Now our next topic will be multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Still now what we did ma? Multiplication of a fraction into whole number we did. Now multiplication of a fraction. Multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. With a fraction. Means both two we have to take the fraction only. Okay. This is now we will do. 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. This is one fraction. This is one fraction. Both are fractions. In the previous one we did only one fraction into a whole number we did. Now here multiply numerator into numerator. 1 into 3, 3. 3 fours are 12. Now 3 ones are 3 fours are. That is 1 by 4. Understood? Numerator, here cancellation you can do. Here cancellation you can do and you can multiply. Otherwise you can do the multiplication. Afterwards also you can do the cancellation. No problem. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator you have to multiply. After that it is possible to cancel, you can do. Okay. Now in this same way you have to do now. Take all of you take out your page number 36 ma. Open page number 36. 6th and 7th 2 examples. 6th and 7th 2 examples are homework. That also easy. Okay ma. 6th and 7th. Page number homework. Page number 36. 6th sum. 6th and 7th examples. Okay. See, in 6th example, what is there? Narendra read 1 by 4th of a short novel in 1 hour. What part of the book will be read in 2.5 hours? In 1 hour, 1 by 4th part he read means in 2 hours, how much part he will, in 2.5 hours, how much part he will read? You have to multiply. Okay. Now, next one. That is 2.5 hours into 1 by 4th. 2.5 means 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Change into improper into 1 by 4. Then you will get. 7th one. A swimming pool filled 3 by 10th part of 3 by 10th part in an half an hour. How much will be filled in 1.5 hour? So in half an hour, it will take 3 by part of swimming pool can be filled. If you pumping continuous 1.5 hour, then how much part of the swimming pool can be filled? That is 3 by 10 into 1.5 hour. So 3 by 10 into 1 by 2. Change 1 by 2 into a improper and both if you multiply you get the answer. Okay, I hope you will be understood. Okay ma'am, write this all what I given in the class work and what I given homework. Please follow properly and do it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.